Good morning, my students. I am Priya Singh with the subject English Grammar of Standard First. So today I will teach you the first lesson, that is noun. So I will move to the definition. I will read the definition first. I have written here, naming words are called noun. Naming words are called noun. So all the naming words around us is known as noun, or you can define it as simple. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. A noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. And you can define it on the other way, that all naming words are called noun. All naming words around us are called noun. So we will move to the example. That here I have written some naming words. That is boy, table, Radha, girl, peacock, pencil and etc. You can see in your book. That there are too many names written in your book, as it person, places, animals, birds or thing. So first of all, before moving to the next point, I will explain it as clear that all the naming words around us is known as noun, or a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. But you have to write on that naming words are called noun, and with example, and for example you can write like boy. Boy is a name. Table. Table is a name. Radha. Radha is the name of a person. Girl. Girl is the name of a person. Peacock. Peacock is the name of a bird. Pencil. It is the name of a thing, and etc. Here boy is the name of a person. Here table is the name of a thing. Radha is the name of a girl, and girl is also a person. So you can see there are too many topics, there are too many points like person, places, animal, birds, things are here. So we will now discuss about one by one about person, places, animals, birds and thing. All these are known as nouns. All the naming words of these things are known as noun. So we will discuss about person, places, animal, birds, thing. So you can move to the next point, that is examples. So we will see here one by one the naming words of person, places, animals, birds and things. So we will move to the first point, that is person. What is this person is? So person means basically known as human beings. Human beings like man. A man is a human being. Tailor. Tailor is a human being. Mother. Mother is a human being. Nurse. Nurse is a human being. Teacher. Teacher is a human being. So I'm your teacher, and I'm also a person as well as a human being. So all the human beings is categorized in persons. We will move to the second point, that is places. Places means like forest. Forest is a place. Hotel. Hotel is a place. Zoo. Zoo is a place. Market. Market is a place. Garden. Garden is a place. So all these are known as the examples of places, and all these are the names of places. These are the names of the places. So we will move to the topic or the point, animal. So animals are like dog, deer, elephant, fox, goat and many more. So you can say these are the names of the animals, and all naming words are known as nouns. So all these are nouns. We will move to the bird, that is hen, pigeon, duck, parrot, sparrow. All these are the names of the bird. So you can categorize all the things as noun. We will move to the thing. So I have told you that person means human beings, that is living things, and things means non-living things. Non-living things means these are not human beings. These are not human beings. Like apple, like bread, like book, like computer, like bag. All these are non-living things and these are living things. Person means living things and things means non-living things. So you can categorize everything one by one, like person, like places, animals, birds and things. So here these so I have so in the previous page I have explained about noun, that is noun, the definition of noun and the examples. So students, you have to open page number first of English grammar. I don't have books, so I have drawn something here. So students, when you will open page number 1, you will see that a lady is holding a book. That is, a lady is holding a book in her hands. So here is something written that, who is this? Who is this? So this is a teacher. You can simply identify this picture that this is a teacher. Where is she? So she is at the school. What is she carrying? What is she carrying? What is she holding in her hands? She holds books or a book. You can, because she is holding only a book, so you can write in here a book. So in your book, in page number 1, you can see with example, with the picture that a lady is holding a book in her hand and this is a teacher and this lady is a teacher. She is at the school and she is holding a book. She is carrying books or a book. So all these things are known as noun. Means teacher is a noun because it says about a person. School is a noun because it tells us about place. Books is a noun because it is a thing. It is the person name, it is a place name and it is a thing name. So when you will move to the next example, you have to do it on your own. That you have to first of all look at the picture that is drawn in your book and now answer one by one. So in first question is that, what animal is this? So here are some options also. Is it an elephant or a cat? So it is an elephant. So you can take to the elephant. In our second question, that where is this animal? Obviously, this animal is an elephant and it is at the forest and this animal is at forest. Obviously, it is an animal. So it is at the forest. So our third question is, what is the animal eating? So it is eating plants or a plant. So it is not eating worms. So there is one more question in your book. So that has to be done by you. So class, you will notice here that there are too many things written here. That is teacher, school, books, elephant, forest, plant. All these terms are known as noun because it indicates about any naming word. It tells about naming words. That is teacher, school, books, elephant, forest, plant. So I have written here that everything around us is noun. Everything around us is noun. It means that everything which has name is known as noun. You can give examples related to that also. So now class, I will discuss about the first question of noun. That is question number A. So we will move to the question number A, the solution of question number A. Students, I have written here the answers of the question A. I don't have any book, so I have written here the answers directly. So you can now write on the answer one by one. Before that, I am going to explain about it first. Students, you will see in page number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. First of all, we will move to the page number 3. So you can see here there are too many words in the brackets like girl, room, horse, duck, car, boy, etc. And you can see too many pictures also. So you have to see the picture and answer one by one by seeing the picture. And you have to identify the name of that picture also. So in our first picture, it is a baby. What is this? It is a baby. So you have to find the suitable word for this picture. So I have written here the name of the picture, that is baby. So you can also write on baby in the first question, in the first picture. We will move to the second picture, that is a man holding a book in his hand. So it is a man or it is so he will be a teacher or he will be a man or he will be any officer. So we have to identify the suitable word from the given hint or the bracket. That is a teacher. So he is a teacher. So this person is known as a teacher. We will move to the third picture. That is a giraffe. It is a giraffe. So you can write here giraffe from the hint from the box. So our fourth picture, in our fourth picture, it is a rabbit. In our fifth, it's a chocolate. In our sixth question, this is a boy. In our seventh question, this is a toy. It is a toy horse. You don't have to write on the horse here because it's a toy. So you have to write down a toy here. So I can write here toy. It is not a horse. So in our eighth question, it's a crow. In our ninth question, it's a hen. In our 10th question, it's a car. It is not a toy, students. It is not a toy. It's a car. In our 11th question, it is a house. In our 12th question, this is a monkey. In our 13th question, now there is a horse. It is a real horse. It is not a toy. So I have written here horse. So it is totally written here the name that it's a shop. In the 14th question, you can see the name is already written at the house, that is shop. So it is a shop. So in our 15th question, this is a girl. In our 16th question, this is a duck. 17th is a book. 18th is a peacock. 19th is a room. And 20th is a playground. So your question number A is already completed now. So you have to do question number B and C in your book. Students, before writing this answers in copy, you don't have to write down the answer in your notebook. You have to write down the answers in your book. So do in book. Do in book, not in copy. So students, do these questions. I have written here the answers and you have to do these answers in your book. This question number A in book, not in copy. So thank you so much, student. Thank you so much.